Hi friends, today we will discuss on an important topic, that is habit stacking. What is habit? Habit is just a choice that we deliberately made at some point and then stop thinking about but continue doing almost every day. Else it can be written, a habit is automatically followed by your brain. When you see a cue with a trigger for routine transaction to get reward. So cue the trigger to action to reward. This sequence follows. So habit is that means that it helps to get a job done repeatedly without any extra effort, and it gets it done automatically. You need to build good habits and stop bad ones. So this process to be continuous. And you need to build good new habits. You can use the connectedness of behavior to your advantage. The best way to build a new habit is to identify a current habit you already practice each day and then stack on your new behavior on top, which is termed as habit stacking. Also, James Clear has described it in his famous book Atomic Habits as a special form of implementation intention. Mr. S.J. Scott has also explained habit stacking in his book that is named as habit stacking. So this concept has gained ground, and it is easy. It is easy to be done. Habit as a special form of implementation intention. This is done on a special way, and that is most easy to understand and easy to follow. After current habit, new habit will come. This is the main crux of the problem. After current habit, new habit will come, so that it becomes easy to continue. After I get up from bed early morning, I pray to God so that I can be brave to go forward. So if I want to have a new habit like that, if you want to have a new habit like this, after I get up from bed early morning, so if I have that habit of getting up from early morning, it will be automatically done, because I will be already doing that. After my prayer, I arrange bed. Once I arrange my bed, I do housekeeping. Once I do little bit housekeeping, I brush my teeth. So if this type of activities are interrelated and I want to push this thing, then it will be easy for me. While I brush teeth, I take care of flossing. After my mouthwash, I do face wash. After I take tea, I start Zumba dance music. With music on high sound, I do free hand exercise. Once I do free hand exercise, I do jogging at least 3 steps at home, and that makes me easy. So how it is coming up? After my exercise for a while, I take care to do journaling. Once I do journaling, I write diary. Once I write diary, I update my to-do list. So all this type of activities is kept as habit, is maintained as habit, and these are good habits. After I plan for the day, as per my to-do list, I go for breakfast. After I take bath, I shall pray to get strength from the superpower. If I do that, that will be my good habit. Being fresh physically and mentally, I do free writing. Daily free writing is a very good habit, and I like to write good blog on specific topic. After daily free writing, I write good books, blogs. I read good books, blogs, listen to TED Talks, YouTube videos. That improves my knowledge base. Once I read good book, blog, newspaper, journal, I note down use of about 5 new words to improve my vocabulary. So this way, you can also impose your new habits upon the activities that you are already doing. So this goes on over hundreds of activities. Listening to preferred music listening to preferred music in between till I arrange my bed, go to bed and fold my hands and thank God for supporting me throughout the day. Pray to God to help me to live in peace and help others also. So such habit-taking works, as current habit is already present and built into the brain. Patterns and behaviors are strengthened over the years, and if those are already there, it is easy to place something on it. Linking new actions and behaviors to a cycle which is already built in. The behaviors is likely to be repeated to form a habit. Normally it is said it takes 21 days to form a habit. So once you master the art of stacking habits, you can create larger stacks by placing small habits together. This will help you to take advantage of the momentum that will emanate from one behavior and will flow to the next. So I understand that you have understood this process of habit stacking by placing one on the already practicing behavior, already practicing habit. That makes it easy to follow. And once you follow it repeatedly for 21 days, it becomes your habit. So try to change your bad habits, replace with good habits, and enjoy life. Enjoy every moment. Have a good life. Thank you.